Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are starting right up front here this morning to show off some of our patriotic fabric to get in the 4th of July mood. We are starting today marking down some of these fabrics even more. So if you come in today through Saturday, we will be doing an even bigger sale. So we've marked some of these down even more to celebrate the 4th of July. While we were talking about the 4th of July, I will just mention really quick that we will be closed tomorrow for the 4th of July, but we will be open on Friday and Saturday. So you can come in today, or you can come in the second half of the week to pick up any of these wonderful patriotic fabrics or pre-cuts. Lots of fantastic items here. Wonderful. Okay, so we're gonna loop around here and take a look at our notion of the week, which is right here. This week we are doing triangles on a roll. So these are super helpful if you are creating half square triangles. They have these lines on here that help you get a few half square triangles at a time. They are super easy to use and help you just kind of create continuous half square triangles for any project you might be working on that has a lot of them. We do have a few different sizes as well, so be sure to check the size on whichever roll you pick up to make sure they are the proper size for your project. Okay, and that brings us over here to our kit of the week, which this week it is plural, it's kits of the week. And we're gonna start off with Deep Sea Treasures. This one is from QT. It's a really fun sort of under the sea feel. In fact, all of the kits of the week have a fun ocean theme. So this one has this really fun panel, sort of a lost treasures theme here, with the sunken ship and the treasure, but also lots of beautiful ocean life in here. And then next over here, we have a really fun embroidery kit. This one has all of this fantastic machine embroidery on here. All sorts of beautiful batiks to really mimic those beautiful coral reef colors. This one is so cute. I think this would be adorable hanging in a nursery that maybe had a ocean theme. So both of those are 20% off, as well as the Blue Travelers quilt, which is just right here. This one has all of these fantastic turtle prints. Very cute little turtles, and then you've got various larger panel blocks as well. So we do have the kit for this one available, and it is also 20% off. So we've got the 3 different kits of the week this week. So you have lots of fun options, perfect as we're going into summer. I think these are going to be really fantastic projects to work on during the summertime, especially with the hot weather that we're expecting soon. You can stay inside and sew some great projects. Okay, and I will just mention really quick too, we still do have our Quilts of Valor vote going on. So we've got all of these gorgeous quilts here from various members from Quilts of Valor. Lots of wonderful creativity and beautiful craftsmanship in all of these quilts. So if you come in, be sure to take a look at the numbers and vote for whichever one is your favorite. We will be taking them down soon, so definitely stop on by and cast your vote while you still can. Okay, now we've got quite a few lines to show off today. So we're gonna start right down this aisle. We have a wonderful sort of blender collection right down here in this box from Riley Blake. This one is called Sparkler. It's a little more modern. We've got a really beautiful color scheme here. They have the little pluses on them in a metallic gold, which makes it very modern. I think these are going to be fantastic blenders for lots of different projects. We were sure to pick up some reds and greens for more of your Christmas projects. Beautiful array of blues also if you wanted to do something more wintry. And some neutrals for just whatever you are working on. Okay, and then right around the corner here, we're gonna take a look at another blender collection. This one is from Henry Glass. We just got in some new timeless linen. That's this collection here. A little bit of a deeper, richer color scheme for this one. And then we've got some reds and pinks and purples down on the bottom there as well. And this one, like most of our other sort of blender collections, are going to be worked into our color wall as we get some more space so we can put something else here. So if you're looking for this collection and it's not here anymore, it was probably put to color along the rest of this, what we call our color wall here, with all of our tonal prints. So take a peek in there if we have moved them. Okay, and then moving on over here into our modern section, we actually just got a few different lines from Art Gallery, which we're super excited about. We'll start off right here. This top box is, like I said, a new collection from Art Gallery Fabrics. This one is called Bedtime Stories. It's an adorable, more juvenile theme. Very cute, lots of adorable little sort of story prints, rhymes and riddles, all sorts of things that you'd see maybe in storybooks. And then they actually did an adorable little soft book panel too. So this is a fun little project that you can do here to create just like a fun little, one of those fun little soft books. So you've got the instructions all right here and everything you need for that. One of the other things that's really interesting about this collection is we decided to get some of the 2.5 edition fabric, which is this right here, which you can actually cut the strips into binding to create some really adorable sort of novelty binding. And there is a free project that goes with this one, so our free pattern. So if you would like the free pattern, be sure to ask up at the front counter for this guy. So cute. And then right around the corner here, we've actually got another new line with another free pattern. There's the Scenic Vista pattern that goes along with the Coyote Hill. This one also has some 2.5 edition fabric, so some binding. You can use this one to do some binding, and then all the rest of these gorgeous fabrics. Awesome. This one is super fun, very excited, kind of has like a little bit of a Southwest feel. The little stars and coyotes on this one are beautiful. That one's going to be lots of fun. And then one more new line that we have is right in here. And this one is called Abstra Art. A little bit of an abstract art play on words there. So you've got more of these gorgeous earthy tones, a little bit more abstract. Kind of some of them have a little bit of a block print look to them. And then there is a free pattern for this one as well. Kind of a cool geometric look there. And all of these free patterns, by the way, are on the art gallery website, so you can find them there as well if you want to take a look at them, if you're kind of trying to decide which one to do. Okay, moving along, we are going to work our way back into the novelty section. Okay, and we're going to come right along up to this end cap here where we have this adorable new line from QT called For the Love of Labs. So you've got all of these super, super cute little motif prints with the different dogs, paw prints, some little scenes. And then you also have, of course, the large panel that goes along with it. So that is very cute. We do have some fat quarters that go along with this one. So if you know somebody who loves their lab, this would be a perfect collection for them. And then for all those cat people out there, we do have a cute cat collection as well. This one is also from QT. So we've got some fun, cute little cat prints there, some fun kind of more kaleidoscope looking blenders to go along with it. Even got some little sewing notions mixed in there too, because this one is called Quilt Room Kitties. And then we've got some a panel here with some different blocks on here with different breeds of cat. So you kind of have a little something for everyone here. This is very cute, very bright colors. Love the colors in this one. And it is lots of fun. Okay, and moving back this direction, we do have a fall collection, a little autumn collection to show you today. This one is one of my favorites that we've gotten in this season in terms of the fall prints. This is a Riley Blake collection called Pumpkin Spice. So you've got all of these adorable little pumpkins and gourds on here, lots of fall foliage. And then I love the sort of mix of all of the fall themed, little fall themed items as well. And then on the bottom here, we've got all of the plaids and kind of the blenders that go along with the collection. Like I said, I think this is just absolutely adorable. You've got the little tea kettle, candle, got some lavender, little mushrooms, just very cute and whimsical, has that very cottagecore look to it. So we've got lots of fat quarters cut for this one as well. Wonderful. And then to kind of mix it up, going back more into the summer feel, we have this beautiful collection from Maywood Studios. This one is called Seascape. Got all of these gorgeous pastels. Love the different corals and shells on here. And you've got some gorgeous little striped blenders. Really beautiful. I think this one is going to be so much fun to do some beautiful summer projects with. There is a free project or a free pattern with this one as well. This is the Seascape runner. So it's a fun little table runner that utilizes the fabric here to create this gorgeous table runner. Very fun. So you can ask for that here up at the counter, or if you want to find it online, you can find it on Maywood Studios as well. So very cute. We've got some fat quarters cut for this one as well. We're very excited to have this one on the floor and see what everyone decides to do with it. Okay, that brings us to the end of today's little tour. Lots of gorgeous fabric. We're super excited with all of the ones that came out this week. Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. Beautiful blenders. We've got that modern, more of those novelty items. I really love that fall line too. So yeah, be sure to let us know which was your favorite. We will have all the new fabric on Whatnot today. We'll be there on there about 4 p.m. So be sure to join us a little later for that as well. Quick reminder that we will not be open tomorrow for the 4th of July, but we will be open back up again on Friday and Saturday. So if you want to join us after your 4th of July festivities, please come join us on those days. And yeah, thank you so much, everybody, for watching. We had a lovely little tour today. And hopefully we'll see you later on Whatnot. Otherwise, we will see you next Wednesday for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you.